What's up guys, today I'm back with another Git tricks video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to commit Git messages. So what I'm gonna do, first of all, I want to see the last commit message. There are many ways to see it, but I'm gonna show you this way. So what I'm trying to see is basically last commit message without the author, without the timestamp or anything, right? So this is the last commit message, and these changes, remember, I have not added to my remote repository. This is the only commit that I have made locally, okay? Remember this. So if you have made a commit to your remote repository, then you have to do a git push. My changes are not yet pushed, okay? So this is what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna say git commit dash amend. So if I do an enter on my keyboard, it's gonna actually open up an editor. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna basically say demoing the git commit message amend maybe, and then I'm gonna save it. So what I've done right now, I have just modified this particular git commit message. So without changing the content of my actual changes. So basically the changes I had, blah blah whatever, this is something I added right now, but these changes were introduced in my previous commit. Okay, I'm gonna basically run the same command one more time. So if I run this, you can see my commit message is basically changed. And if you have noticed here, this is the commit ID. So if I do git show, and this is going to be showing me basically the changes that I have made. Okay, all right, so that's one way we have seen. The another way, I'm gonna say git commit dash amend, and then you can say m flag, and you can write demoing the git message amend, let's say this way, and you could add actually one more m if you wanted to add more lines. So second line for the message, and if I do an enter right now, and I'm gonna go back to same message format, and I go back, you can see this is what is actually changed right away. There is another way also possible to change the commit message, which is basically git rebase, a little bit more advanced. So therefore I'm not going to be talking about that. This is something I'm going to be talking in the future. So this is what I wanted to show you to you. Very useful, very handy, and this is something you need to know if you want to be very efficient in Git. So that is it for today. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to share this content to your friends and colleagues. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Talk to you soon. Take care.